welcome once again to EdaFace Media, which is part of EdaFace Ecosystem. My name is Patricia. EdaFace is a user interface aggregator powering the decentralized world system using blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. EdaFace Media will be providing you with regular news updates about the emerging digital age. Therefore, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep receiving up-to-date news. Disclaimer: the information provided in this broadcast does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. It is purely for your information, education, and entertainment. You can read our full disclaimer on EdaFace's website at edaface.com. Breaking news of the week. First breaking news: UK to match US pace for stablecoin rules. Bank of England BOE Deputy Governor Sarah Breeden has declared that the UK's regulatory framework for stablecoins will be rolled out just as quickly as the US. Breeden made the remarks at the SALT conference in London, emphasizing that the BOE is coordinating closely with the Federal Reserve and other US regulators to ensure alignment on these fast-evolving digital asset rules. Under the upcoming UK proposal, only systemic stablecoins, those likely to be used widely for payments, will fall under the BOE's direct supervision, while other stablecoins will be regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority under a lighter regime. The draft regime is expected to include temporary holding caps, reportedly up to €20,000 for individuals and €10 million for businesses, designed to mitigate risks to the banking system as stablecoins become more prevalent. Breeden also noted that the UK's banking and mortgage lending structure differs from the US, which partly explains the BOE's caution in setting limits and its focus on protecting financial stability. The consultation for the regulatory framework is set to be published on November 10th, bringing the UK a step closer to implementing this regime. Second breaking news: Kazakhstan launches crypto reserve fund. Kazakhstan has announced the creation of a national crypto reserve fund, marking one of the boldest moves yet by a Central Asian nation to integrate digital assets into its sovereign financial strategy. The fund, expected to launch by early 2026, will reportedly be valued between $500 million and $1 billion, drawing from seized digital assets and revenues generated through state-backed crypto mining operations. The initiative will be managed through the Astana International Financial Center (AIFC), the country's special economic zone designed to attract fintech and blockchain innovation. According to government officials, the fund's goal is to strengthen Kazakhstan's financial resilience, diversify its economy beyond oil and gas, and establish the nation as a legitimate player in the global crypto ecosystem. Rather than directly holding volatile cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the fund will invest in regulated crypto instruments such as exchange-traded funds (ETFs), tokenized commodities, and equity stakes in blockchain infrastructure firms. This approach is intended to balance innovations with financial stability while minimizing exposure to market volatility. Authorities confirmed that part of the fund's seed capital will come from digital assets confiscated during anti-money laundering operations and repatriated from offshore accounts. Additionally, revenues from Kazakhstan's state-authorized mining industry, which has seen rapid growth in recent years, will provide a steady flow of funding to sustain the reserve. The government's growing openness to blockchain technology follows a series of reforms introduced after widespread illegal mining operations caused nationwide energy shortages in 2022. Now, with improved regulation and taxation frameworks in place, Kazakhstan is positioning itself as a model for responsible crypto adoption in emerging economies. If successful, the Crypto Reserve Fund could help Kazakhstan stabilize its currency, attract foreign investment and serve as a hedge against commodity market volatility. It also signals a shift in how national governments might begin integrating blockchain-based assets into sovereign wealth management, a move that could inspire similar initiatives in other resource-rich nations seeking to modernize their financial strategies. Third breaking news: $500 million in fake transactions. Newly surfaced documents from Bitrex's bankruptcy case suggest that the platform's filings contain more than $500 million in questionable or possibly fabricated crypto transactions, a revelation that could significantly impact how much its former users and creditors ultimately receive. According to researcher Pasha Ono, who reviewed the filings, the red flags include over 21,500 withdrawals that were each below Bitrex's own stated minimum withdrawal limit, and 10,000 plus identical Bitcoin withdrawals, all for the exact same fractional amount on the same day. The filings also show transactions involving a token called LMC linked to Lomo Coin, which actually ceased operation in 2021, yet the records claim transfers of that token were after that date. The ramifications are serious. If these transactions are indeed fabricated or misrecorded, then the entire basis for creditor claims and customer withdrawals could be compromised. Bitrex reported around 1.6 million users when it filed for bankruptcy in May 2023, yet less than 36,000, about 3% of those submitted claims. Mistakes in the underlying data could mean incorrect payout amounts, delayed distributions, or disputes over who has standing as a creditor. This latest issue adds to Bitrex's long history of regulatory and compliance problems. The platform has previously been cited for weak anti-money laundering controls, rejected license applications, and large fines for illegal transaction processing. With bankruptcy proceedings already complex, this discovery could prompt additional legal scrutiny, potentially extending the timeline for resolution and affecting asset recovery for users. Crypto market analysis. The crypto market as of November 8, 2025 is cautiously rebounding after a sharp sell-off earlier in the week that wiped out nearly all of this year's gains. Bitcoin BTC is trading around $103,700, recovering roughly 3% after dipping into bear market territory just days ago. Despite this uptick, overall sentiment remains fragile, as many traders appear hesitant to buy the dip in the same aggressive way seen in previous market corrections. According to MarketWatch and Barron's, this shift in behavior highlights a growing sense of fatigue among crypto investors after months of volatile price swings and tightening liquidity across risk assets. Ethereum, ETH, and several top altcoins have followed Bitcoin's rebound, though their gains are more modest. ETH rose about 3 to 4% in recent sessions, but continues to face resistance near key technical levels. XRP, on the other hand, has outperformed the broader market, climbing above $2.30 on strong ETF speculation and renewed institutional interest. Solana SOL also saw a mild recovery, reflecting a return of some risk appetite among traders, though volumes remain subdued compared to early October highs. The total crypto market's capitalization currently hovers just about $2.2 trillion, down from nearly $2.9 trillion at the month's start, illustrating the scale of the recent pullback. Several macro and sector-specific factors continue to drive the market's direction. Investors remain cautious due to global economic uncertainty, fluctuating interest rates expectations, and persistent inflation fears. These conditions have weakened risk sentiment across all asset classes, not just crypto. Meanwhile, Bitcoin spot ETFs have seen slight outflows in recent days, reducing institutional momentum that previously helped sustain higher prices. On the regulatory side, stablecoins and DeFi platforms are facing renewed scrutiny from policymakers, which has dampened confidence and slowed inflows into riskier tokens. Looking ahead, analysts are watching the $98,000 to $103,000 range as Bitcoin's critical support and resistance zone. A sustained move above this level could signal the start of a slow recovery phase, while a drop below could open the door to deeper declines toward $90,000 to $95,000. Altcoins with strong fundamentals or institutional narratives such as XRP and select AI or DeFi-focused projects could see better performance if sentiment improves. However, with volatility still high and liquidity thinning, most experts recommend a cautious step-by-step approach rather than aggressive buying. Eda Coin update. The NFT marketplace, which is the fifth component of EdaFace, has successfully passed through the various stages of development and is now in its testnet phase, where it is being integrated into the single sign-on system of EdaFace Ecosystem. What is unique about the EdaFace NFT marketplace? Friends, EdaFace NFT marketplace has unique features such as 1. 3 market arenas. EdaFace NFT marketplace is uniquely divided into 3 arenas for each of the 3 kinds of non-fungible tokens NFTs, which are art, collectible, and gaming NFTs. This division allows users easy access and navigation across the platform. 2. Multi-chain capability. The unique thing about EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it is a multi-chain platform. This means it can accept non-fungible tokens from different blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and BNB-based platforms. 3. Intra-chain transfer. Non-fungible tokens can be minted on other marketplaces such as OpenSea or Binance and then transferred to EdaFace NFT marketplace for display to the teeming EdaFace communities. Likewise, users can mint NFTs on EdaFace marketplace and transfer them to other NFT platforms or reserve them in their wallets. This is an intra-chain transfer, which offers flexibility to NFT transactions. 4. Varieties of minting. One unique feature of EdaFace NFT marketplace is that it has 7 minting formats, which are single minting, unimultiple minting, polymultiple audio minting, polymultiple image minting, polymultiple video minting, layer by layer minting, and lazy mintings. No other NFT marketplace in the industry offers such a variety of minting, thus placing EdaFace NFT marketplace over established platforms such as OpenSea, Binance NFT, and Rarible. EdaFace NFT marketplace brings more utilities for Eda Coin. Watch out for its mainnet version that will unveil this unique platform to the world very soon. Introducing EdaFace Mall, the future of decentralized shopping. EdaFace Mall is a blockchain commerce platform that links physical products to online services using both cryptocurrency and fiat payment systems. It is a decentralized digital shopping platform that revolutionizes e-commerce with its novel bill commerce that enables secure crypto-powered transactions. Note that B-commerce refers to blockchain commercial activities. With a peer-to-peer marketplace, global accessibility, and blockchain-backed security, users can shop and sell effortlessly using cryptocurrency. Say goodbye to intermediaries and hello to a seamless, borderless shopping experience. Explore the future of online commerce today. You can access the EdaFace Mall by visiting its official website at mall.edaface.com. Good news! Eda Coin now listed on Ascendex. We are excited to announce that Eda Coin, Eda, the native utility coin of the EdaFace ecosystem, is now officially listed on Ascendex, formerly Bitmax, as of June 12, 2025. This marks a major milestone for the rapidly growing EdaFace ecosystem, making Eda Coin accessible to a wider global audience. Ascendex, formerly Bitmax, is a global digital asset financial platform founded by a group of Wall Street quantitative trading veterans in 2018. This global cryptocurrency exchange platform serves over 1 million retail and institutional clients in more than 200 countries. Ascendex has a 24-hour spot trading volume of $1.3 billion, making it to be rated among the top 30 crypto exchanges in the world. The listing of Eda Coin on Ascendex opened up new opportunities for both investors and users to engage with one of the most promising utility coins in the blockchain space. With growing use cases across decentralized finance, NFTs, and crypto-powered commerce, Eda Coin is set to gain traction as a valuable asset in the digital economy. Don't be left out. Join in to trade this utility-enriched Eda Coin. For more information, visit the EdaFace website at edaface.com or its social media platforms such as EdaFace Global Telegram or EdaFace Twitter X. Links are being provided below. Also visit EdaFace newsfeed at news.edaface.com for daily news updates in real time. If you enjoyed the news, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join EdaFace communities on social media. Links are provided below. Thank you, my friends, for joining and connecting with us. Till next time, bye for now.